Welcome health enthusiasts! Looking for healthy holiday meal ideas that are both festive and easy to make? As we celebrate these special times, our focus often shifts from health to indulgence. But why not have the best of both worlds? This video is all about combining the joy of holiday cooking with the benefits of healthy eating. We'll be exploring a range of meals, from quinoa stuffed bell peppers to baked salmon with lemon and dill, and even a vegan chocolate mousse. Stay tuned as we delve into some delicious and nutritious holiday meal ideas. Imagine a holiday table with vibrant, colorful bell peppers stuffed with protein-packed quinoa. Now, let's bring that vision to life. For this festive yet healthy meal, you'll need some key ingredients. Start with 4 medium bell peppers of varying colors, a cup of cooked quinoa, and a medley of your favorite vegetables. Think mushrooms, zucchini, onions, and cherry tomatoes. Don't forget the spices: garlic, cumin, paprika, and a sprinkle of salt and pepper. First, preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. While the oven is heating, carefully cut the tops off the bell peppers and remove the seeds. In a pan, saute your vegetables with the garlic and spices until they're tender. Mix in the cooked quinoa, ensuring all the flavors meld together. Now, for the fun part, stuffing the peppers. Fill each hollowed-out pepper with your quinoa and vegetable mix, place them on a baking tray, and pop them into the oven. Bake for about 25 minutes, or until the peppers are tender to your liking. But why quinoa stuffed bell peppers? Besides being utterly delicious, they're also a powerhouse of nutrition. Quinoa is a complete protein, rich in fiber and packed with essential vitamins. Bell peppers, on the other hand, are high in vitamin C and antioxidants, promoting overall health. A perfect blend of taste and health, these quinoa-stuffed bell peppers are sure to be a hit at your holiday table. How about a main course that is not only rich in omega-3 fatty acids, but also easy to prepare? Today, we're diving into the delightful world of seafood with a recipe that's a real crowd pleaser: baked salmon with lemon and dill. To start, you'll need a fresh cut of salmon. It's the star of the show, after all. This oily fish is not only delicious, but also packed with omega-3 fatty acids, which are known for their heart-healthy benefits. Next, we need the supporting cast: fresh dill and lemon. The dill adds a certain herbaceous charm, and the lemon provides a zesty kick that cuts through the richness of the salmon. A little olive oil, salt, and pepper, and you're nearly there. Now, let's get to the preparation. Preheat your oven to a moderate temperature. While it's warming up, lay your salmon on a baking sheet, drizzle it with olive oil, and season it with salt and pepper. Then, top it with generous amounts of dill and lemon slices. Once your oven is ready, bake the salmon until it's perfectly flaky. The result? A main dish that's not just incredibly flavorful, but also healthy. It's high in protein, low in saturated fat, and a great source of vitamins D and B12. So, whether you're hosting a holiday feast or just want a simple, nutritious dinner, this salmon dish is a winner. Baked salmon with lemon and dill, a dish that delivers both on taste and health. And who can forget dessert? How about a vegan chocolate mousse that is light on the stomach and rich in taste? First, let's talk about the ingredients. This delightful dessert requires only 5 simple items. You'll need ripe avocados, unsweetened cocoa powder, pure maple syrup, vanilla extract, and a pinch of sea salt. Yes, avocados! The creamy texture of avocados serves as the perfect base for this mousse, adding a dose of healthy fats and a velvety finish. Now, let's get down to the preparation process. Start by placing the ripe avocados in a food processor and blend until smooth. Next, add in the cocoa powder, maple syrup, vanilla extract, and a dash of sea salt. Blend everything together until it's perfectly smooth and thoroughly combined. This vegan chocolate mousse is a dessert game changer. It's not just delicious, but also packed with health benefits. The avocados provide heart-healthy monounsaturated fats, while cocoa powder delivers a good dose of antioxidants. Additionally, this dessert is perfect for those with dietary restrictions. It's vegan, gluten-free, and doesn't contain any refined sugar. So, it's a dessert that everyone can enjoy. Remember, the key to a great mousse is patience. Allow the mixture to chill in the refrigerator for at least 2 hours before serving. This allows the flavors to meld together and gives the mousse its firm, airy texture. With this vegan chocolate mousse, you can indulge in your sweet tooth without any guilt. So, there you have it, 3 healthy holiday meal ideas that don't compromise on taste. We kicked things off with the vibrant quinoa stuffed bell peppers. A dish that's not only visually appealing but also packed with protein, fiber, and a multitude of vitamins. Next, we dove into the baked salmon with lemon and dill. This main course is a true celebration of flavors and offers the health benefits of omega-3 fatty acids, essential for heart health. Finally, we indulged in the vegan chocolate mousse, a dessert that's as decadent as it is healthy, full of antioxidants, and it's dairy-free. These dishes show that healthy cooking doesn't mean you have to sacrifice flavor or enjoyment. This holiday season, allow these recipes to inspire you to create meals that are both delicious and beneficial to your health. Remember, the holidays are a time for joy and celebration. You can enjoy delicious food and still maintain a healthy lifestyle. Happy cooking and happy holidays! Always remember to consult with a healthcare professional before making significant change to your diet or adding new beverages, especially if you have specific health concerns or condition. What is your favorite holiday meal? Tell us in comments section down below. Share this video with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. And turn on your post notification so you don't miss any of our videos. Take care.